Hello viewers! Today we are here to learn something about control flow. Control flow in Python is essential for making your programs dynamic and responsive. Let's dive into conditional statements first. The if statement allows you to execute code based on a condition. If that condition isn't met, you can use if-else to define an alternative path. For more complex scenarios, if-elif-else lets you check multiple conditions in a clean, readable way. Now on to loops. For loops are perfect for iterating over sequences like lists or strings, allowing you to execute a block of code multiple times. On the other hand, while loops continue executing as long as a specified condition remains true, giving you flexibility in your control flow. But what if you need to alter the flow within these loops? That's where loop control comes in. The break statement lets you exit a loop prematurely, while continue skips to the next iteration, allowing you to bypass certain conditions. Lastly, pass is a placeholder that does nothing but keeps your code syntactically correct when you need it. Mastering these concepts will empower you to write more efficient and effective Python code.